Join the American Meteorological Society by becoming a member of the band. The AMS Weather Band is a global community of weather enthusiasts dedicated to learning and sharing their love of science. Visit amsweatherband.org to learn more and join the band today.
It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the morning edition. This is for Wednesday, the 14th of April. I'm James Spann. Rain returns to Alabama today. Will be wet at times through tonight. Maybe some lingering rain tomorrow morning. Let's talk about it. This is the upper air look across the country today. And again, we've got this upper low that's located over Minnesota and Wisconsin, a trough back in the western states, and a zonal flow and a series of weak waves coming through that zonal flow. And one wave is producing rain west of the state early this morning. That was the radar a little before 5 o'clock. Rain and thunderstorms over parts of Arkansas, Louisiana, and Texas. And that rain will be spreading into Alabama by midday today into the afternoon. Temperatures are mostly in the 50s early this morning. We're expecting highs only in the low 70s today, about 10 to 12 degrees cooler than recent days. The 80s are gone for a while. There's a flash flood watch in effect for Mobile and Baldwin counties. That's where the heaviest rain will be for the next 24 hours. And around the nation, winter weather issues for parts of the northern Rockies and red flag warnings for parts of the Southwest for wildfire danger there. Here's the severe weather outlook through tonight. We have a marginal risk over parts of Virginia and North Carolina and a risk of severe storms from Texas along the western Gulf Coast. This includes the southwestern corner of Alabama, a marginal risk there. That's level 1 out of 5. Could be a few storms with hail and gusty winds. Most of the state, no severe weather issues. And then tomorrow, a marginal risk on the Gulf Coast back over into parts of central Texas. And again, that includes Mobile and Baldwin counties and the Florida Panhandle. For most of the state after tomorrow morning, the weather should be dry. In fact, the sky will likely clear temporarily tomorrow afternoon. Then on day 3, Friday, maybe some thunder for the Gulf Coast region, but again, severe weather not expected. Rain for the next 7 days. Gulf Coast looks fairly wet. In Alabama, the heavier totals down south. Rain amounts for South Alabama could exceed 2 inches in spots. North Alabama, generally under 1/2 inch. So, model fans, let's go. Here's the GFS, the 06E run, valid today at 4. You can see the upper low that's over the Great Lakes. Another one back over the western states. And that wave coming in here produces rain today. Let's go to the high-res NAM. This is valid at 1. At that point, the better chance of showers will be west of I-65. We think the morning should be dry. This is 4 o'clock, rain at times for much of the state, maybe some thunderstorms for the Gulf Coast. And 8 o'clock, chance of some lingering light rain for parts of central Alabama, nothing heavy. Let's go to tomorrow. This is tomorrow morning at 7 o'clock, better chance of showers and thunderstorms over South Alabama. Maybe a touch of light rain or drizzle for the northern counties of the state. And then by 1 o'clock, most of the state dry with a clearing sky. This is the synoptic scale look tomorrow at 4. So again, we'll have morning clouds, maybe a few showers, the sky becoming partly to mostly sunny by afternoon, highs in the upper 60s, considerably below average for this time of the year. This is Friday. Clouds will increase again. We think the day will be dry. This is Friday night. This is suggesting the better chance of rain over the southern quarter of the state. And then by Saturday afternoon, the bulk of the rain should be gone. This is the GFS. Here's the European. So this feature should bring some light rain to the state Friday night into Saturday morning. And the rain should be mostly over by midday Saturday. So again, for the spring scrimmage games at Auburn and Tuscaloosa Saturday afternoon, the rain should be over by the time those games begin. The sky will be cloudy and again unseasonably cool with highs only in the middle 60s. This is Sunday. We're dry, partially sunny, highs upper 60s. Monday, partly sunny, low 70s. Tuesday, we're still dry. And then Wednesday, a week from today, big trough beginning to carve out over the eastern states. And again, we're rain-free with highs around 70. This is the rain for Birmingham for the next 15 days. The mean, a little over 2 inches between now and the end of April. Temperatures, you can see the cool down. The 80s are gone for a while. Highs in the mid to upper 60s Friday, Saturday, Sunday, then back in the 70s next week. And the CPC outlook, this is for April 21st through the 27th. And if this works out, temperatures here would be a little below average. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this morning. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video here by 3 o'clock this afternoon. If you can, catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day and God bless.
Hey, this is James Spann. I think one of the best parts of my job, getting to do weather programs in schools. During regular times, I'm in a school once or twice a day, teaching students, mostly in elementary schools, things about weather and science. It's a really great part of my job. In fact, if I wasn't a television meteorologist, I would be a third grade science teacher. But one thing I've noticed over the years, some children, not all, but some, develop a genuine fear, a phobia of weather, especially thunderstorms and tornadoes. To offset that, I commissioned a couple of creative members of my family to write a series of children's books about weather. And the first one is out. Benny and Chipper, Be Prepared, Not Scared. Your kids will absolutely love Benny the Bear and his best pal, Chipper the Beagle Dog. It's a really good read about thunderstorms and tornadoes and how it's okay to be a little afraid, but you don't have to be really afraid. As long as you're prepared, you understand them, you know what to do, and you take care of yourself. Information is very powerful, and that starts a process of kids overcoming that fear. And this book is a really good read for any elementary school student. My friend Ginger Z of ABC News in New York, the chief meteorologist there, wrote a foreword here. Jeremy Davis, an illustrator, really makes Benny and Chipper come to life. It's a great read, and your kids will love it. I would encourage you to get a copy, and we'll have future books with Benny and Chipper about things like thunderstorms and the science behind them, tornadoes, and hurricanes. So get your copy today. Right now it's available online at Spannbook, with two N's, Spannbook.com. And you'll see some other cool stuff there as well. Benny and Chipper, Prepared Not Scared. Get your kids a copy today.